Alright, this is my variation of Jack Avis's Slipper Aces. This is one of my favorite effects, one of the strongest effects you can do in card magic. And this is a performance video of that. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. Okay, we're going to give the cards a shuffle here. And you can have them shuffle. There's ways to do that. And what you do is you give the cards some cuts like this. And this is how you can tell a good card magician can cut to one of those aces from a shuffle pack, just like so. Okay, we'll give the cards some more cuts here, and we'll see if we can find another one, just like that. Alright, we'll do that again. Give the cards a couple of cuts, and we got the ace of spades. And again, give the cards some cuts, and we can find ace number 4. Now, there is a faster way to do that, which I can show you. And the faster way to do that would just be to go like this. Bang, bang. Okay? And we can cut to something like 4 kings. Right? Now, I'll take the kings, place them back in the pack, just like so. 4 kings. Alright. 4 different spots in the pack, 4 different places in the pack. Now, we're going to just shuffle those in like so. Now, what I will do is put the aces inside there. Diamonds, spades, hearts, and clubs in 4 different places. All right. Now, I'm just going to give those a little shuffle. And we'll shuffle the deck like so. And what I will do here is I will see if I can't find those aces somewhere here, okay? Because somewhere in the pack, they're in there, alright? Now, what I'm going to do here is show you that there's none on the bottom, there's none on the top. Okay? No aces or kings there. So if I just give it a snap like that, watch, amazingly, you can get the 4 aces there. Right in the middle of the pack, 4 aces. Now, watch very carefully. We're going to take those guys, set them down, and I'll give it another snap like this, and we'll get the 4 kings reversing in the pack, magically. Now, I'm going to give you a choice here. I'm going to take the aces, alright? I'm going to place them in the pack, just like so, okay? Place them in 4 different places. You can cleanly see that. 4 different places, the aces. Now, I want you to choose one of those aces. Okay? Give the cards some cuts here. Okay? I want you to see nothing on top or bottom. I want you to choose club, heart, spade, or diamond. So say you said club. You spell A-C-E-O-F-C-L-U and B. Ace of club, right? With an S. Ace of clubs. And there we go, right? It's pretty amazing. Now, what happens at this point is we're going to have the person stab it in wherever they want, completely randomly. So pretend they stabbed it in. Now, it's going in there. We're going to show that all the cards are facing one direction except for the ace. We go down to take the next card right where they stabbed it in, correct? That would be amazing if that was an ace. It is. Awesome. Now, we're going to take the next guy, next ace, cut it in to the pack, okay? We take the ace, you can have the spectator cut it in, okay? Give the cards a little snap, and look what happens. Magically, we get one sandwich card, and it happens to be an ace. Now this happens to be one of the best parts. We take the aces, we'll put them in there, okay? 3 different places you have the audience member stab those in. Have them select one, either the club, heart, or spade. So let's say they name the heart. It shows simply. We have the spades here, clubs here, and the hearts here. Right next to the one you named, which was the heart, you magically find the last ace. Thank you very much. That's Jack Avis, Slippery Aces.